Hello. Let me continue in my discussion in the assigned topic to me in the MTAP-DepEd NCR Summer Inset for grade 10 that focuses on circle. So let me discuss problem number 16. Okay. It says here that circle C, this is circle C, is inscribed in the equilateral triangle MSA as shown in the figure. SB is one of the triangle's altitude. If the area of the shaded region is 3 square root of 3 minus pi square units, what is the length of one side of the triangle? Okay, let me enlarge the figure. Again, let's emphasize that this triangle here is an equilateral triangle, and this circle C is inscribed on the said triangle. So since the area of the shaded region is given, which is, I believe, 3 square root of 3 minus pi, we are going to we're going to focus our attention in getting MS. So since nandun yung may shaded region. Okay? So, again, from the circle C, to do that, let me connect the center C perpendicular on side MS. And that segment is actually the radius of the circle. Okay? Okay. So since this is equilateral triangle, what is the measure of angle M? 60 degrees. So it says here that SB is an altitude. So if this is 60, so since altitude yan, this makes you perpendicular. So 90 yan. So therefore, what is the measure of angle MSB? Correct, 30 degrees. Okay. So now, as I mentioned earlier, so this radius here is actually perpendicular to the tangent MS. So therefore, this is also 90. Okay, so that gives us what kind of triangle? Special triangle. Correct. So since perpendicular to, this is 30, I have a 30, 60, 90 triangle. So since this is 30, the side opposite to 30 is actually half the hypotenuse, and this PS here is square root of 3 times this side. Okay, that's why this is r square root of 3. Did you get it? Again, 30, 60, 90. Okay, so this is r, this SC is 2r. Actually, we don't need that. So PS is r square root of 3. Now, do you have an idea how are you going to get the area of the shaded region? Yeah, that's given, but suppose we don't know the area of the shaded region. How are we going to do that? Area of the shaded region is actually equal to the area of this triangle minus the area of this sector. Okay, again, let me repeat. So the shaded area, this area here, the shaded portion here, is actually equal to the area of triangle CPS minus the area of this sector. Okay, so, but the good thing here is the area of the shaded region is given, which is 3 square root of 3 minus 3. So, we know how to get the area of the triangle. The problem is, do you still remember the formula in getting the area of the sector? That is 1/2 theta r squared. Take note, theta should be in radian. So that's it. So again, the area of the shaded region is 3 square root of 3 minus pi is equal to 1/2 base times height. The base is r squared of 3 times r. That's why this is square root of 3 r squared. Did you get it? Now, minus area of the sector is again 1/2 theta r squared. 1/2 theta is pi over 3 because 60 degrees is in radian is pi over 3 and r squared. Okay, again 1/2 theta r squared. Now, notice on the right side of the equation, I can easily factor out 1/2 r squared. Okay, as shown. That gives me the right side 1/2 r squared times the quantity square root of 3 minus pi over 3. Okay, so manipulating this part, okay, I'm going to have this one, and obviously I can cancel them. Okay, what will happen next here is this is 1 equals 1/2 r squared times 1/3 or r squared is equal to 6, or r equals square root of 6. We're almost there. Take note, our goal is to get ms, but since we already have r, that's simply square root of 6 times square root of 3, that's square root of 18, or 18 is 9 times 2, so that is ps is actually equal to 3 square root of 2. Okay? So since it's altitude, so therefore, ms is actually just twice ps, or 6 square root of 2. Okay, I hope you get it. So if you have any clarification or further question, don't hesitate to contact me. Reach me on my Facebook account or email me at markbidalo22@yahoo.com. So that is for the day. So until next time.